Thank you. You're not too bad yourself. We're gonna see what we can do for you on that one. I can't make any promises though. Hey everybody, I'd like to introduce Annie on acoustic guitar. I seen a bend rising. I seen them troubles on the way. I seen earthquakes and lightning down. I seen a bad time today. Well, don't go around tonight, 'cause it's bound to take your life. There's a bad man on the rise. Hey! Oh, you got your things together now. Oh, and I hope you're quite prepared to die. 'Cause it looks like we're in for some nasty weather. One eye is taken for an eye. Yeah, but don't go around tonight, 'cause it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Hey! How's everybody doing? Arm prior. You feeling all right? Okay, don't be shy to sing along with us now. If you know the words, you shout them out loud.